In today's video, I'll show you how to open a document from Google Drive in Google Docs. A simple yet essential task that takes only a few moments and helps you access, edit, and collaborate on your files effortlessly. Whether you're managing personal notes or working with teammates, this process will make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Google Drive homepage, a central space where all your files and folders are stored in the cloud. Now, browse through your drive to locate the document you want to open. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name. Once you've found your document, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. From the menu, hover over Open With. A submenu will appear showing different applications that can open your selected file. Depending on your file type, you might see several compatible apps listed, but the one you're looking for is Wanted Google Docs. Go ahead and click on Google Docs to proceed. Once you select it, Google Drive will automatically open your document in a new tab using Google Docs. The document will now load, and you'll have full access to edit, format, and collaborate on it using Docs' powerful built-in tools. The best part? Every edit you make is e-key saved automatically in real time. So there's no need to worry about losing your progress. You can also rename your document by clicking on the title at the top of the page and typing a new name. If you're working on a group project, you can share it instantly by clicking the share button in the top right corner, adding email addresses, and setting their permissions to view, comment, or edit. Opening your files in Google Docs offers several advantages. It lets multiple people edit the same document simultaneously, keeps everything stored securely online, and makes your documents accessible from any device with an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully opened a document from Google Drive in Google Docs. With just a few simple clicks, you've unlocked an easy way to create, edit, and collaborate in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.